Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to use Trello Power-Ups. And so this is going to be really easy. You just go to Trello.com and it'll bring you to your dashboard. Down here in the recently viewed, we have a board that I made recently called New Board. We're going to click on that. And here we have the cards that I've set up for recording this video. And then on the far right hand side of the screen, there's 3 dots. If you click that, it'll bring up a menu. And there's actually going to be a Power-Ups option. If you click that, it'll bring you to a list of power-ups you can browse through. Power-ups are essentially add-ons that add features to your cards and to your boards. So you can also search for something like Discord notifications if you wanted to add that. But we're going to go ahead and just browse through the list as it is. And there are lots and lots of different features that are really good and nice to use for your board. So you can add them by just clicking the add button. And with that, that's how you add and use power-ups on Trello. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below.